I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Hey everybody. All right, we're doing a little update here because things are kind of slowing down because I got some changes. I decided to do something different. I got the front wheel hugger fenders all painted, and I got the mounting brackets all powder coated with the matte black. As you can see, it's kind of mounted on there. It looks really nice. I got the belly pins all painted and clear coated. All the years I've just waited until I had a calm day and I'd paint outside, and then I end up getting dust nibs, so that require buffing afterwards between coats, and then I would get a gnat or some kind of insect in the clear. So I got tired of that once I sprayed these, and I got a couple little dust nibs and I was able to get them out. Fairly little work, but I just got tired of dealing with that, so I ended up buying myself one of those inflatable paint booths that I can set up and do my paint work, because I really would like to paint some matte blacks, and getting dust nibs and a matte finish is a no-no because you can't buff it. So I really would love to be able to do some matte finishes, so henceforth I decided to break down and buy a spray booth. But I have the tank and the headlight fairing. I just got them just sitting on here. That's not, the headlight fairing's not even bolted on. I had put on my new Woodcrafters. These are 2-inch rise, and it worked out great. As you can see, I got a full turn to the stop, and I still got clearance. I'm still not digging these reservoirs. I'm probably going to get something different. I don't know. It's just, they're just huge, and they just stick up there like a middle finger off your forehead or something. I don't know. I just can't. They're just not working for me. But I do like the ride position that these 2-inch risers gave. Did a whole lot for the bike. I think it's going to give it more of that Street Fighter kind of stance. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I got the final coats of primer on the tank, headlight fairing, and the seat fairing. It's all done. I just got to do a little wet sanding on it, get a little bit of the imperfections out of it. Same thing with the tank and the headlight fairing, and those items will be ready for paint work, and that'll happen as soon as I get my inflatable spray booth. So anyways, that's the update, and we'll come back if I have anything else. If not, when I come back to this clip, we'll start seeing some paint on some other items. So that's it for this update, and we'll catch you in the next one. Good morning, gents. I got the first 2 layers of clear on the headlight fairing and the graphics that I decided to go with. You can see there's the tank. Now I got it at gloss. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it gloss or put the matte additive in and spray the knee dents matte. Still not sure what I want to do yet. I got here's the seat cowl all painted up. I only got, like I said, 2 layers. They're probably medium layers on here, because I like to come through once I get those on and actually wet sand the areas of the tape, or where when you put tape on, it gives a slight raised area. I do wet sand the base coat first, but it doesn't always get it all the way, so you still get some raised areas. So when I get a clear coat on, I buff it a little bit more, and then spray the final coats on there. But what do you think so far? Everything's just sitting on here right now. Nothing's bolted down. I don't have the cap in because still got more paint to do, and some wet sanding, etc. It's all good. Everything's looks really nice. It'll look really nice when I get the little side covers on the tank done. I gotta paint the underside of the headlight fairing. That's going to be a matte finish. I painted the bottom side of the tank a matte black, and then whenever I wanted to do all my paint, I got it all taped up. So I still have the tape and the tape work underneath done. I just pulled the tape back for the hooks in the tank so I could slide the tank in onto the frame. And see, I still have the tape on the actual mount. So anyways, that's an update for this one. Today is Easter, so I don't know I'm going to be doing very much today. A lot of family to celebrate with, so we'll touch base back. This will probably be it for this episode, and then we'll do another episode afterwards. That'll probably be wrapping it up, because the only thing that'll be left will be doing the seat upholstery after this has been painted. So when I get that going, we'll come back, and then like I said, next episode will probably be the last episode for this series, and then I'll do a complete like a clean the bike all up really nice and do a separate video for as another bike project completed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.